Hey guys, I'm sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. My charger got bad and my laptop eventually died. But it's all good now, and I want to say Happy New Year to you guys and a very big thank you for the support throughout last year. 2020 was challenging for everyone, and you guys still took out time to watch my videos. For that, I want to say thank you so much, and I hope you keep supporting me in 2021 and beyond. So, back to the news. There's more interesting information about the Galaxy S21 series. The official launch date has been confirmed by Samsung, and we have some infographics showing the camera specs alongside some insane storage options. And we also have the official look at the new stylus that's gonna come with the S21 Ultra, and how Samsung is gonna integrate it into the device. If you wanna get more S21 related videos, then definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future video. So Samsung put out a video teasing the Unpacked event that will take place on the 14th of January, where the S21 series will be launched. They're gonna launch 3 S21 variants. The S21 and S21 Plus will share the same design, specs, and cameras, with the only difference being the battery and screen size. And the S21 Ultra will have a bigger, higher resolution display with the new LTPO technology that allows variable refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz. And that's going to reduce battery consumption by about 15%. It's also going to have a bigger battery, faster charging, more cameras, and a better camera hardware. Speaking of the cameras, Evan Blass posted an infographic showing the camera specs of the lenses on all 3 variants. The S21 and S21 Plus will share the same camera on the front and back. They'll have a 12 megapixel primary shooter, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens. And on the front, it's gonna have a 10 megapixel selfie camera. The S21 Ultra will use the new HM3 108 megapixel sensor as its primary camera. It'll have a 12 megapixel ultra-wide and 2 telephoto lens. Both are gonna be 10 megapixels, but one will be limited to 3 times optical zoom, while the other one is gonna be a periscope zoom lens with 10 times optical zoom. We also have our first look at the new stylus that's gonna come with the S21 Ultra, courtesy of Roland Quant. So it's well known that Samsung wants to replace the Note series with its foldables and bring the S Pen to the biggest device in the S series. So the rumors that the S21 Ultra will have S Pen support are true, but there are some caveats to this S Pen integration. Apparently, the pen is not going to be integrated like the Note series, and it's not going to be in the box either. Instead, it's going to be an optional extra accessory that'll set you back $50 or 40 euros. Now, considering the price of the S21 Ultra, not including this as a free optional accessory is actually a bad idea. If they're not going to do it right like the Note series, then I don't think they should do it at all. Anyway, that's it for me in this video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.